making Chef Mo, and I'm going to show you the fastest way of making noodles. So we have our ingredients. This is the egg, these are noodles, and these are the spices. First thing, after you can add carrots, cabbage, whatever your choice is, but me, I'm not going to use. You can add chopped pepper too, pepper, any type of pepper or vegetables you like. I'm not going to judge, but me, I'm just using the spice. First, I'll put my egg inside the boiled water. I'll wait for it to cook to about 1 minute. Then you can add your noodles, carrots, chopped pepper, anything of your choice. Then you add your spices. You can add any type of spices to your own choice. For me, I'm not going to use the regular spices. I will stir. This is Chef Mo. I love cooking. I love cooking. And that's okay. You wait for it to get ready. Maybe like 1 to 2 minutes. Thank you everyone, and make sure to subscribe my channel. I can also see the carrots, cabbage, all your own spices on my blog. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thank you.